Hey shoppers, thanks for tuning in and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and follow so we can get you more videos that you like. Today, I'm going to be showing you all the great new finds that I got at Dollar Tree, and it's all for summer and they've got great stuff, but you got to get out there and you got to get it when they're putting it out, because what I've noticed is when you shop after everything's been out for a few days, they're totally picked over. I happened to be there on a day when they were putting everything out and I got super lucky. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm gonna start out with my favorite find of the day. I just can't wait. So these LED lanterns, they were putting them out and they only had so many of them and they're so cute. Just make sure when you buy these to go ahead and pick up the AAA batteries. I'm gonna hang these off of my balcony, and then in the summertime when I'm having little parties outside, I have a tree I can hang these in. So I'm super excited. These were $1.25. Last year the ones I got were super small. They were probably about a quarter of this size. So these are giant ones, I think, for $1.25. These are a great find, and they're all sea theme. So you definitely want to have these on hand, even if you're using it for inside. These were a great buy at $1.25. They're LED lanterns, and as you can see, they light up, and then down here on the bottom is where you're gonna put in your batteries. So those were just my all-time favorites. I just love those. So here we go. They had a great selection of these wood cutouts, and I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to do this in another video, but I'm actually going to do this with seashells and sand, seashells and sand. So I can't wait to see how that turns out, and I'm going to use that probably for one of my bathrooms. I just love that sea theme. Here's the batteries I was talking about. You're going to need these AAA batteries, and they're so cheap for $1.25. Here's another little basket that I found. This decor is so cute. You can put things in it. And so you just pick one of those up. Even if you don't know what you're going to use it for, go ahead and pick those up. Now I did get these. I probably should have got more. I'm probably going to go back. They only had one box. And you can use these in all your displays. I got 3 of the same, these flowers with the seashells on them. I think they're great, and they're $1.25 each. So those were a great find. I really like those. Now, let's go to this ribbon. This is they have the decorative mesh, and they have them in a lot of the summer colors, but I'm going to be using these for a project with the bowl this bowl that I got. So stay tuned for another video on a centerpiece with the mesh and this plastic bowl. All these items were $1.25, and you're not going to believe how high-end and cute this one looks. So that one was super fun. Of course, you got to pick up a brush when you're there. Brushes are always fun to give to somebody when they come over to visit. I keep using these to decorate with, and these are the mushrooms, the fairy mushrooms. So I picked up another packet of those. I probably should have picked up more, but I only got one. Let's see. Okay, this one's fun. I probably should have got more of these, because what's going to happen is my daughter's going to come home to visit, and she's going to love it and probably take it from me. And I'm thinking about putting some more decorations on this for 4th of July. So it's a 4th of July headband. They do have all their 4th of July out. I'll be putting that up on my shorts. So stay tuned for that. That's fun. And they do have these nice packaged creams, and they look very high-end, and I've already opened them, and they smell really good, and they go on really great. So if you're gonna have company, or you have someone visiting, or you want to make a little gift basket for somebody, these creams are amazing. They're really nice. They smell good too. Okay, we've got some more sea theme items here. I got this little jar, and this is going to go in my centerpiece that I'm going to make with this decorative mesh here. So that's going to go in the middle here, this little jar. They have them in 3 different colors. So most of the stuff that they have in different colors right now. And I got this jar. Don't know what I'm going to use it for, but the jars are a definite must to have, because you can always think of a fun project to make with them. Now, these are my favorite. These dish towels were $1.25, and they are so soft. So if you see these, I got 4 of them. I'm wishing I would have got more. I might go back today and get some more, but these are very nice and very fun, very decorative for summer, and they're soft, and they're $1.25. So that's an excellent buy for that. And last but not least, I got this great big, it's hard to see in the video. Let's pull it back here a little bit. So I got this box, and I'm gonna use this to store all of my summer items. So when I'm done, when I'm not using it, I can fold it up. And then when I'm using it, I can open up. So every year they do have these containers or these storage little boxes that you can buy. And they have them based on the season. So pick yourself up a couple of these. They're fun to have around. You can use them you can even use them in your living room to put like a basket in it, or you can put some blankets in it. So that's my haul. Everything that I got here today, I'm not gonna be able to get it all in one big photo, but everything that I got here today, all this stuff was $41.06. Great buy. And I've got one item I forgot to show you. This was super fun. I don't know if you can see this, but this is the lip balm, and it's a friend's lip balm. They only had a few left, so I took one for myself. Those are fun to use in gift bags.